Mr. Danilo Bongkinki, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, national referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns. Let's start off with number 4, Maria Paulina Soriano. At number 8, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Wearing jersey number 9, Janine Marciano. At number 17, Relea Ferina Sayed. Wearing jersey number 11, foreign guest player, Jack Amporn. At number 14, guest player, Patari Sangmuang. Libero, number 13, Sheila Marie Pineda. Head coach, Mr. Ernesto Nes Pamilar. Calling on our PLDT Home Telpad Turbo Boosters. At number 1, Ruby De Leon. Wearing jersey number 2, Rizabel De Vandera. Team captain with jersey number 3, Suzanne Roses. At number 5, Gretchen Soltones. Wearing jersey number 11, Lawrence Ann Latigay. At number 14, Maria Rosario Charo Soriano. Libero, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. And their head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev.
So yan po mga kaibigan, from the San Juan Arena, sino mga kalaban ng Philippine Army sa ating kampyonato, malalaman po natin. At speaking of tabla, may tabla rin po tayo dito.
Take note, assured of.
Alala niyo po na maigi. At stake is a steak dinner, hindi naman. Pero na rin, I think you will win this. I still have a feeling.
Pero very clear, parang you guys are really in.
Oy, may habol pa kayong dalawang kapatid, ha?
Wala na, we're already out.
Pag nanalo, pag nag 5 sets ulit ito, angat na kayo kila Mosi, tayo na kayong tatlo ni Mosi. Alam mo, mahaba pa to. Ilang games pa natitira.
Oo, marami pang araw, marami ka pa panahong
may championship pa to.
Lead.
Chizayat gets it started para sa kumpanan ng Cagayan Valley. And Aiza Maizo Pontillas puts it away. So, unang puntos belongs to the Rising Suns. And again, dalawa pong kupunan, tabla, 2 wins and 2 losses. Army po, wala pa pong talo, already assured of the finals. So yung makalaban nila, malalaman po natin today. Pantone with the reception. Here's Latigay. Cross court is good. Luan scoring. Kaya 1 ngayon para sa kupunan ng PLDT Home Telpad. Ruby De Leon. Marciano. Sayed. Running attack by Amporn. And that one is in.
Great angle. Kita mo parang simpleng-simple lang para kay Jack Amporn.
Yung huli ko nakilalang Jack, maliit. So medyo may kalakihan to. So Amporn, one of the superstars of the Thai national team.
Yes.
Charo Soriano on the quick. Here's Sayed on the back set to Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Is it just me or is Aiza Maizo Pontillas playing better than she was nung college?
Well, syempre kasama na dyan yung pagka-veterano rin niya kasi. Oo.
3-1, Cagayan Valley. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Amporn on the serve, short serve, nicely done.
Amporn really making her presence felt in each and every area, no? Kung saan siya nandoon para sa Cagayan Valley.
Not too long ago, yan talaga yung go-to girl ng Thai national team. And not too long ago also, yung captain ng Thai national team, si Pachari Sangmuang. Suroses on the push. Sayed inangat. Pontillas sending it over to Marciano. Gata is there. Back set ngayon. Roses. Pasok na naman. High percentage start for both teams. Lahat ng puntos galing sa opensa. At ngayon, 2 serving 4. Charo Soriano to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Charo. Sayed sending it to Pao Soriano galing sa open. How about that?
And she still gets that point. Maganda yung set, ano? The set wasn't very high. Look at this.
Hindi ako sanay.
Nice B set.
Pwede, pero... Pwede.
Tumba eh. Tumba naman yung tumba yung play niya.
5-2. Janine Marciano now serving. Sultones. Angat ngayon para kay Devanadera. Nice block there by Aiza Pontillas. Tinawid ni Sasa. Here's Tang Muang. Roses. Latigay. And Latigay will hit it long. So that's actually the first error of the game. Mga puntos nila talaga. High percentage offense ang ginagamit. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shaky V-League. Janine Marciano. 21-year-old out of San Beda College. De Leon, sinagip yung bola, mahuhulog.
May swerte pa yung pagsabit sa net.
Ruby De Leon, of course, veterana na yan.
Again, all you need to do is just to keep the ball alive.
Oo.
Yun lang naman
Aksidente pa yun kasi wala kumuha ng bola Naluan Latigay, 6 serving 3. Cagayan Valley pa rin po may kalamangan. The majestic serve of Latigay. Marciano, Saet, combination. Again, Aiza Pontillas is 3 for 3 today.
And itong si Maizo Pontillas, nakita natin, hindi niya pinwersa yung bola. Hinanapan lang talaga where he wanted to bring the ball. And got a point for that.
Isipin mo kung ilang taon na niya ginagawa rin yan. Hindi pa na-spelling ng kalaban no?
Has mastered that
oh, what a dig there coming from Latigay. Latigay ngayon, opensa. Marciano, Saet, para dito kay Pau. And Pau Soriano. Hindi na masasagip yan Rachel, pero Pau Soriano. Dalawang tira na yan sa open spiker, ha? Ito the Shakey's V-League Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. Dito lang po sa GMA News TV. At pasok na natin si Ate Ivy Remulla.
Thank you. During their last meeting, Cagayan was able to win the match in straight sets, but that does not give the Lady Rising Suns confidence facing PLDT today. Coach Ness told me earlier that they also focused on blocking, especially coming up against the two key offensive players of PLDT, which is Roses and Sultones. He also said that what's important is magkagamayan sila sa loob ng court, especially with the two imports playing with them now. For PLDT, Coach Roger focused on backline offense to help them have more options sa kanilang atake. Their game plan also includes not giving Cagayan opportunity to receive para hindi sila makapag-execute ng magandang play, lalo na pag nasa front line ng kanilang imports. Noel and Ann?
Well, there's going to be a timeout here called by Roger Gorayev.
First, what the PLDT needs to work on ay yung kanilang service reception.
Oo. Kinagahan na ni Aiza pero nakuha naman yung Benting. Here's Sultones off the block. Pineda is there. Saet sending it across. Tang Muang turned back there by Roses. Banggaan. Pineda is down. Akit ulit siya. Here's Ruby on the back set. Su Roses. Saet ngayon. Pachari. Habang rally. Ruby. Sultones. Pineda is there. Saet. Tinawid. Nandun si Ruby. Alam mo, gusto mo pag-usapan natin dito.
Mahaba-haba to.
Mahaba rally nagaganap. Galing sa likod. And Aiza Pontillas finally dug up. Sultones off the block at doon magtatapos ang rally.
Pero kita natin, no, tsagaan parehong teams to really ensure that they get the dig.
Good choice then by Gretchen Sultones na pinili niya si Chisaet.
At nakita rin natin, no, yung angle talaga. She wanted to get that point off the block.
So 10-4 sa panahon ng tugulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katulang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Pau Soriano is spiking from everywhere except tres.
Well, it's
diba?
good. I think yung ano nila dito is to make her less predictable. Talagang piniikot siya, making, giving her a chance to have more play sa iba-ibang pwesto.
Everywhere but the middle. Ang palo dito ni Pau Soriano.
Hintayin lang natin.
Pau, Ruby, one-hand set, and that's a slam dunk from Sasa Devanadera. So 11-5 ang ating score. So Sasa Devanadera, formerly of San Sebastian. Mabalik na naman yung playing form niya. Marciano, Saet, back set. Sangmuang, Ruby. Roses will do the setting for Gretchen Sultones over the defense. Ando naman si Maizo. Saet, Amporn out of position. Here's Ruby, combination. Gretchen Sultones, the block is still in. Roses, galing likod. Saet, Sangmuang, yes!
Open corner right there on the PLDT side.
12-5. And the Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery, pang matagalan. Patsari Sangmuang. Marunong na yata ito mag-Tagalog.
Oo naman, marunong na. You can speak to her in Tagalog. Kaya na niyang makaintindi sa the basic words.
Nice dump there coming from Soltones. So 12-6, lumalaban na po itong PLDT home telpad. 19-year-old Gretchen Soltones. Develop na pati yung mga katawan niya, no?
And nakita mo yung leaping ability, even her adjustments, ano?
Right. Jump serve is also lethal. Saed, sending it to Marciano, nagalangan. Ruby, back row attack. Soltones off the net, yes!
Gets that point. Right now, inuunti-unti ng PLDT. Actually, yung maganda sa ginagawa ng PLDT, while they're down by 5 points, you see that the team is still very composed.
Right.
Hindi nakikita wala pang pressure masyado on their end.
Soltones, kakarga na naman niya yung jump serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. This time, a better reception for Cagayan Valley. Running attack for Amporn. Pantone, inangat, benting, tinawid. Saed, another runner for Amporn is just on fire.
And itong si Amporn, for those na sumusubaybay din, nakakapanood ng games ng Thailand dati, forte niya talaga yan. It's her, she's mastered that running attack.
So Amporn gives Cagayan Valley a 6-point lead. Pantone with the reception. Sending it back. Soltones, tinawid na lamang. Maizo, off the hands of Charo.
Pontillas, very smart move.
Hulog na lang ginawa doon. Di nakaiwas si Charo that time. 14-7. Chisaet. Sharp serve. Nandun naman si Pantone. Running attack. Charo under the ball that time. Saet. Asa Maizo Pontillas is now 4 for 4 sa kanyang atake. No errors.
No error at all. And ang palagi nilang kukuhang angulo, no? That cross court.
Yan.
Oo, malapit din sa zone 1.
Nangiti na lang doon si Sue Rosas. They were actually former teammates sa UST. Guest player pa. Si Sue, actually, they won a championship together, or 2 championships together for UST. Dito si Shakey's V-League. Saed tracks it down. Amporn. Here's Ruby. Back set, Soltones. Back row, umiwas na lang si Pineda.
Clearly going out.
Kasama si Ate Remulla Kanda at si Ate Ivy Remulla. This is the last game of the elimination round. Isang team dito may eliminate.
Pero ngayon, malaki-laki ang hahabulin itong PLDT.
Actually, penultimate game na pala ito ng elimination round. Yan. Kamali ang bilang eh. So we have 4 teams, double round, 3 plus 3, 6.
Okay.
Game number 5 ito. Saed. Marciano. Here's Benting. And Benting gets that one down. So tama, 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Addition.
6. Game 5 to, standing 2 to 5th game. May isa pa silang laban. Pwede pang humabol sa ating updated standings. Mahaba-haba pa yan.
Maizo.
Cross-court shot.
Too strong.
So ang game natin na susunod on Tuesday, PLDT home telpad kontra Meralco. Then sa Thursday, Army versus Cagayan. Drop shot galing dito kay Amporn. And
ito si Amporn really maximizes all the areas, ano? May cross-court shot, merong sa soft spike.
And again,
sa gitna.
Alam nyo kung nanonood kayo sa TV, inisip nyo, si Amporn, mukhang malaki. Talaga pong malaki yan.
Oo, matangkad si Amporn. And yun nga, no, yung reach din niya mataas.
Right. Process. Blocked there by Soriano. Sa kabila naman, Benting. Dug up there by Saed. Marciano, hindi madaan ng Rising Sun sa lakas. Sue Roses, dinaan sa galing.
Gets that clean hit.
So from a 9-point lead, 5 na lamang po ang inahabol dito ng PLDT home telpad. Again, Sue Roses, embrace na niya yung utility spiker position na yan. Ano?
And has been very effective. Actually, si Roses, in the whatever position mo siyang ilagay, nakakapag-adjust din siya agad.
Good reception there by Pineda. Soriano trying twice. That's Pop Soriano trying twice. And a net violation will be called kontra dito sa kupunan ng PLDT home telpad. From Sasa Banadera. So, Janine Marciano to serve. 18-12. Marciano, good serve. Soltones with the reception. Sasa gets it. Balik ulit sa panig ng Turbo Boosters. Here is Roses. Saet, back set. Aiza Maizo Pontillas is still perfect sa kanyang atake. Mananalo dito. Malaking advantage na makuha na yung second finals berth. Nice block there by Soriano. They send it to Benting. And Pineda dives for it. Saet sa kabila. Pachari Sangmuang. Binuhay ni Igata. And Roses. Kinabila lamang. Saet. Again. Aiza Maizo Pontillas.
And what you have to love about Pontillas, yung bilis niyang makabasa kung ano yung butas ng kalaban. You'll see her one moment magko-cross court attack, but in that case, kita niya butas yung likod ng blockers.
Ang layo ni Pantone that time. 20-12, 8-point lead for the Rising Suns. Make that a 9-point lead after a service ace from Janine Marciano.
So far, everything going well here for Cagayan.
So Marciano trying to give Cagayan Valley a double-digit spread. And that serve goes wide. So 21-13. Panahon naman ngayon para kay Angela Benting na bumawi. Para dito sa PLDT home telpad. Here's Saet. Across. Pachari Sangmuang. Binuhay pa rin ni Pantone. Tinawid na lamang ni Ruby. Saet. Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Habol si Benting. At may babalik yan ni Ruby. Saet. Oh, nice combination play for Sangmuang.
But you see, I think what's good about the offense of Cagayan at this point, talagang itong si Saet, pinaiikot at ginagamit ang lahat ng kanyang opensa.
At may kita natin dito that well-run combination play. And now Angueta Baquero will join the lineup for the first time kasama si Giselle C. So full front line na naman para sa Cagayan Valley. Giselle C. Pantone, De Leon, De Vanadera. Yes. O, kahit na hindi maganda yung pagkaset doon ni Ruby, nakuha pa rin ni Sasa yung puntos.
Simple point there. Pero sa ngayon, kailangan nilang talagang to take it 1 point at a time. No error dahil malaki-laki rin ang hahabulin nila against Cagayan.
Moving net. No violation called. Roses from behind. Aga by Pineda. Tabaquero. And Tabaquero scores. Kapapasok pa lamang ni Kapitana. Palitan ng tao dito, Soltones. Yung depensa niya talaga nagkulang doon. And Banaticla will come in for the first time. Pao Soriano will sit down. At papasok naman ito si Rosemary Vargas. 2 puntos na lang ang kailangan nitong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley para makuha itong ating first set.
Pero malalim din ang bangko, no? Yung second stringers sa pagpipilian itong si Coach Ness.
Actually, both teams talaga. Ito, Banaticla was a star for UST. Ngayon lang pumasok. Banaticla, naabangan doon ni Sangmuang. Banaticla tries again. Hinayaan na lang ni Giselle C na lumusot. At di nabasa yon ni Pantone.
Just deceived the opponent on the other side. Kasi hinabol niya, kunyari magsaset, umover na.
So 10 set points para sa Cagayan Valley. Vargas. Another sharp serve, fielded there by Benting. De Leon, quick set, Sasa. Nakuha ni Vargas, masyado malapit, and De Vanadera puts it away. 24-15. Siyam pa rin po ang inahabol nitong PLDT home telpad. They need to play perfect dito kasi set point na po itong Cagayan Valley.
Good reception.
C sa kabila. And Tabaquero does the smart thing. Pinadaan sa kamay ni Ruby De Leon. And look at this. A 10-point win for Cagayan Valley.